To show you how to turn off or restart a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Okay, very, very easy. To bring up the power off menu, it's a 2-key combination. Okay, you got to press and hold 2 buttons, the volume down and power button. You want to press and hold. You don't want to just go ahead and click on both. If you do that, you're just going to take a screenshot. So again, you got to hold it down, volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Just press and hold, and then this option will pop up here, and then you can go ahead and you can turn it off, or you can go ahead and restart. Now, if you want to go ahead and make your power button bring up this power off menu, because right now by default, if you do that, it's going to bring up Bixby. Okay, I don't have mine set up. Anyways, if you want to go ahead and make the power button bring up the power off menu, just go back to the this menu here, and down here is the side keys. Tap on that, and then you have to log in. And then once you're here, you can see if you press and hold the power button, it's going to wake Bixby. But if you tap down here, now it's going to basically turn on the power off menu. So now if I just press and hold the power button, and then this will pop up. Pretty simple. Any questions, issues? Comment below.